We humans learn to live with fear, sometimes even our whole lives. And we handle pain quite well too. But it's the fear of pain that is the real boogaboo. For example, if I break my leg, my body will go into a shock, of course, but it will handle it. I'll take some painkillers and adequate medical help. But if I know I'm going to break my leg tomorrow at 3 o'clock, I'll be in extreme panic until it happens. Pain is an ordeal for all of us. And the way most of us handle fear, pain, or fear of pain is usually with resistance. We avoid and most often even deny. This resistance causes conflict, which results in further fear and pain. And this happens in relationships too. We avoid or deny what causes us discomfort. The interesting truth is that whatever we deny, we attract again and again and again. What this repetition is really showing us is that we draw to ourselves what has been denied. This in turn makes us feel trapped in our environment and we begin to feel powerless to do anything. See how a cycle is formed? Fear or pain makes us fear pain. It causes resistance. Then we go into denial, which brings more of the same towards us, and we feel helpless, which causes more pain and suffering. Once we have an understanding of this process, we can then decide the how, what, and when of directing our lives. Experience is meant to teach and help us evolve, and repeated experience is only meant to go on as long as is necessary. When understanding comes, the repetition of negative experience is no longer necessary and we are free to move on. At that moment of realizing, we find ourselves willing to consider new options, new alternatives, and a whole new fun game begins. One we choose to play rather than the one we are trapped in.